they got piccata out here. Wow. You think the video?
Yeah.
You can do audio.
You're YouTubers? I'm kidding.
She's so cute. I was lucky. I was saying, yeah.
What are you gonna get?
Oh, I'm getting the filet mignon and the Guinness stout chili, or the fried chicken. I'm only getting the filet mignon and the chili if the chili's sweet and not the bitter chili.
Where does it say the steak? Oh.
Yeah, this. If the chili isn't sweet, then I'd get this. 'Cause I love chicken. Yeah. And what are you getting?
Ew, don't talk like that.
So what are you getting, bitch? What?
For you. Can I get the blackened chicken penne? You got it? Alright. Okay. I want to say it's like, you know the chili cheese fries are kind of...
What's what you get? Alcohol? You drinking today?
Yeah.
What is that?
No, I'm...
Guinness?
What?
Guinness.
What Guinness?
You know Guinness?
No.
It's beer.
Oh. I'm not a
My chili has Guinness. It hasn't even dissolved yet.
I know. Get the
Get the shot. There's no more shot.
I have my blackened chicken penne, and you have your
Filet mignon.
with
Chili.
chili.
And onions I don't like. I'm taking these out right now.
Yeah, he doesn't like onion.
You know, I like the onions. They taste like shit. Thank you very much. No onions.
That looks so yummy.
Dude, that looks good. That looks like it's a lot too. Like,
I know. Usually they
you're
like.
gonna give me some of that, right? I'll give you some
Yeah.
of my chili too.
Yeah. I want some of your sour cream.
Yeah.
I love sour cream.
Yo. Woo. I could use a little bit more cheese, but that's fine. It smells like green, something green, like a pepper or something.
Pepper right there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
How's your food?
It was bomb. My stomach is protruding as usual.
Wow. I didn't finish. I have a small tummy. I've been dieting.
As usual.
I never finished my food.
Dude, my stomach hurts. Like it actually hurts.
Like it actually
Like I'm
hurts.
feeling like birthdays. It's currently 8:14.
Oh, look at our wallpaper. Look at my wallpaper. So cute. We're so cute. So funny story.
What? What's a funny story?
Funny story. I first purchased the tickets at Happy Place, and then they canceled on me. They said that they fucking
Oh yeah.
like closed their location.
Yeah.
So I got like a refund on that. And then they said if we go to the what is it? The gift shop, we would get a free gift. Our free gift. Guess what it was? It was a frisbee.
Like a cheap frisbee.
Like
too.
a cheap
Like it wasn't
yellow
even like
frisbee.
nothing special. Like very flimsy. Like with a smile on it. I mean, it's fine. Like it's free, but like if you're gonna promise someone like a gift for like.
I thought it was gonna be like at least
and the tickets were like super expensive. Like
two tickets for like $80.
Yeah, they made it more expensive than what it originally was. Like what the fuck? So stupid. Anyways,
but whatever, it was cute.
It was fun.
We got a lot of pictures. It was cute. It was worth it. Neck fat. Huh?
What? Just
What?
say I don't have fat. I'm 0% body fat.
Turn your head all the way to the left.
There's no neck fat. I'm 0% body fat. What do you mean?
Turn your head.
I'm the fittest man in the world.
Ow, ow, ow.
Sit down there.
What?
Your dad will never do.
What? What? So fresh and so clean. Beth, come here. You're marvelous.
Can I get a 3x3?
3x3 with like onions on it?
No onions, no spread.
No onions, no
And
spread.
extra cheese.
Extra cheese?
Yes. And fries well done.
Fries well done. No problem, sir. And so I can have a little just right here.
Okay.
And then can I get a cheeseburger, no onion, no spread?
Cheeseburger, no onion, no spread, okay?
Did you want fries? You ordered mine.
I got the same thing.
Oh, can I get another fries well done too?
One more fry well done?
Yeah.
Okay. And will that be all for you guys
That'd
today?
be it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just have one cheeseburger, no spread, no onion, one 3x3, no spread, no onion with extra cheese, and 2 fry wells.
Yeah.
Okay, your total's be $12.92 right there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Nah, Force One! Hi.
I got a cheeseburger, no spread, 3x3, no spread. Oh, they both have no onion?
Yeah.
And then that 3x3 with extra cheese, 2 fry well?
Yes.
Yeah. We finally made it.
A long drive.
Yeah, the weather's
Good weather.
nice. It's windy, but not too windy.
Yeah. It's cold, but not too cold.
Yeah. And we're finally gonna eat our food. Except he already took a bite earlier. You're eating your chips already?
Oh. I'm hungry.
Okay. Okay. Alright, we're gonna eat. Oh, it's so close to my face. Eat, eat, eat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How's it?
Wow. It's cold.
Okay.
for? Can I put my lips on your skin, babe? What's to ask for? Can I put my lips on your skin, babe? What's to ask for?
Look, he fucking,
Whoa.
he puts his ketchup on his fries, but I like to dip mine.
The first time. When was the last time I did
You
that?
always fucking do it.
Well, you know I put it in the...
No, he likes to do that. Weirdo.
Cut? Oh, square up, bitch. Square up. What's up?
Me? Me?
Oh, square up. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Alright, because I'm tired. That picture.
Huh?
Is that a picture?
No. What are you doing?
I just got your face.
Want that?
Almost done. Yeah, fries stuff.
Yeah.
How was it?
Yummy. Spicy. With the chili.
Yeah, fuck that, I didn't eat that.
I mean the wave?
Like, no, like, don't you like go like... right? Like me out, like you like stomp.
Yeah. Not that many people in the water.
Yeah. Go. We can bring the camera.
Ooh, okay, we're gonna bring you along.
Don't go too far.
Okay.
They're getting good.
No!
Dude, they like ripped it open.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Rip.
Alright, they can have this. I'm not eating
Yeah,
this.
put it like away from our stuff.
We'll throw it away. I'm not giving it to him. So,
These are the culprits.
my legs are so like tender. Look. It's like red.
Damn. Bend over. Damn. Good morning. We just
Good
woke
morning.
up from our nap.
It's like an hour. Was it like an hour?
No, it wasn't that
like
long.
30 minutes?
Right, maybe like 30 minutes.
Yeah,
maybe less.
Yeah.
That's so good.
It's
we had the
cold.
blanket over our face. Have you guys ever tried napping at the beach? You should try it. It's fucking cold too. It's not even hot.
I know.
It's cold.
But it's warm under the blanket.
Yeah.
The blanket's thin as fuck too.
But we were sleeping on the bag that had our chips because we didn't want any of the birds to
Yeah.
eat it.
Again.
I know. The lighting's so nice.
I know.
There's a lot of people in the water. Are they not cold? We went in the water.
They're-
My feet felt numb.
They're probably used to it now.
This bitch. This guy. He was stalking us. I love you.
I love you too.
Ooh, that was cool. So today, on my face, do you guys want to know what I'm wearing? I'm wearing, it's like a Dior cushion. I don't really know what it is. My mom just gave it to me. Sort of like an everyday, like foundation substitute. So I tried it on today, and it low-key looks better than any of my other foundation, I think. And I stopped wearing eyeliner because this guy says I look good without the eyeliner. So I'm trying to get used to my face without it. Why are you laughing?
Nothing. I'm not laughing.
Why are you laughing at me?
I'm not laughing.
Are you laughing at me because I'm talking to the camera?
Yeah.
Why?
It's cute.
Why is it cute?
He's just talking. Nothing. He's just talking. Will you tell me what we're gonna do after?
I don't know what we're gonna do after.
Oh, yeah, what are we doing?
What are we doing after? Sujita? Sujita? Have you guys ever tried Sujita in Sautel? That's like our go-to.
That's like completely
late
the
night
opposite. You know how long it's gonna take to get
Oh.
there?
Okay.
That's it.
So we're leaving already.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, beach.
Let's go to the bitch. Bitch, what you want to say? Bitch, bitch, what you want to say?
Okay, can you sit down over there? Let's sit down over there, and I want to take a picture.
Like it, you're having sex for breakfast, yeah. Just so you like it, you're having sex.
다만 이게 지나치다 보면
We're gonna go eat pho now. Okay, bye. We'll see you at pho.
You're having sex for breakfast,
It's fun time. It's so hot. It's funny. So we're at Muscle One at the beach because I was starving and it's cold weather outside, so we should get something warm.
Time to. Hey guys. Holy, it's just I almost crashed. Hey guys, just wanted to say thanks for making it to the end of our vlogs. We're gonna be coming out with a lot of new videos, like
Vlogs, challenges, you know, just stick around. You might like it. I don't know. I think would they like it?
I don't like it. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, if we like it, you like it. You know?
I don't like it. I mean, I guess.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, that's it for the vlog. Next time, bye.
See you next time.